Not just one piece of great news, but three pieces of great news in this video, guys, talking about Shiba Inu. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's time to take a quick sip of coffee. It's early as I'm recording these. Oh, that's good. That's good. Happy Monday to you. Hopefully you're out there getting ready for a fantastic week. And as promised, three stories we're going to talk about and break down in this video, guys. And we're going to start with something related to Binance. Then we're going to go talk about a new wallet. And this particular new wallet has just added a ton of Shiba Inu. So that's always good to see. A new whale has entered the party. And then we're going to talk about all eyes on a potential Shiba Inu breakout. So we're going to dive into some of the price action and some of the hurdles we need to pass in order for us to continue to move up amid this market pullback, at least market pullback right now from Bitcoin, but some of the altcoins still running pretty hot right now. So let's start with the Bitcoin story, guys. Binance story. Binance recognizes Shiba Inu as a high level of standard, removes SHIB from the innovation zone. So this is a big boost from, people just tracking tokens and coins on Binance. The development comes nearly 2 years after the exchange started to support SHIB. Binance, now the world's largest exchange by daily trade volume, not even close, by the way, has decided to remove the Shiba Inu token out of the innovation zone following an extensive review of the asset's tokenomics and behavior. The move indicates the exchange now trusts SHIB as a regular asset worthy of full, undiluted support nearly 2 years after it listed it. Binance plans to take SHIB along with three other assets out of the innovation zone on April 18th, according to an official announcement today. There are some of the other assets they'll move out of the innovation zone: FXS, TWT, and 1inch as well. So that's some good news. And now how about this one? New wallet adding $3.489 trillion. Let me add this to the screen here. Sorry about that. Thought I had the window sharing, but there we go. New wallet adds 3.48 trillion Shiba Inu at once, guys. Newly born whale buys 39 million, really 40 million worth of SHIB in one big transaction, becomes the 29th largest holder, just like that. Etherscan.io data recently revealed that a newly born whale has just made their first purchase and added a staggering 3.48 trillion SHIB. This massive accumulation instantly puts them into the top 30. Formerly on April 13th, the 19th largest Shiba Inu whale splurged, buying up 1.88 million more to add to a humongous 171 billion SHIB to their portfolio in 4 different transactions. So the whale's interest in SHIB has been revived after the Shibarium beta testnet continues to drive unprecedented growth. And the number of addresses now on the network, 7.24 million. Think about that. That is a 24% increase in the past 2 days. 7.24 million number of addresses on the network. That is mind-boggling, to say the least. So that is some fantastic news. Now, last story in this video. Top analyst says all eyes on Shiba Inu for an pending breakout. This article was written a couple days ago, and we're talking about, some key areas on the chart, and we could see where our, charts have bounced off of these various lines, and we're kind of in a descending wedge pattern. SHIB has fallen into several occasions. The chart shows that its price skyrockets each time SHIB hits the bottom of the descending wedge. This occurred in October 2022, resulting in a high of 401488 right before the FTX-induced decline the following month. SHIB also hit the bottom of the wedge in December, leading to another huge rally, getting all the way up to the 15 level on February 5th of this year. The asset has once again reached the bottom of the wedge. Considering a past performances, Crypto Rand is convinced it will again stage a major rally, and we could see that it's hit the bottom of the wedge right here again back on March 10th. It hit that bottom of the wedge, and we could be getting ready for another big breakout. And something to watch. Our last breakout got to the 15 level, a little bit higher than this level previously. So maybe, just maybe, we could enter the 16s and 17s, something we haven't seen. We've got to go way, way back to August of 2022 until we saw, that 17.96 level way up there. So this is definitely something we'll be tracking very, very closely to see if this does lead to another breakout. SHIB's up 44% on the year, still showing some strong buy signals on the technicals as well. So that's good news on that front. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm here every single day for you guys, breaking down everything Shiba Inu, everything in the crypto markets. All I ask is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That would mean the world to me. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.